Hi guys, welcome back to another cooking video. Tonight I'll be doing some sweet chili chicken and baked bean rice. So before I get into the video, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking, sharing, leaving a comment. Please continue to do so. If you haven't subscribed and said please to do so, I really do appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. That's my chicken there. I seasoned it with rosemary, oregano, bay leaves, onion, garlic, scallion, and some cooking oil and a little molasses and some pimento seeds. That is some sweet pepper, that's some onion, that's some tomato, I have some carrots there, and I have some string bean, a few okra, some garlic. I have some corn there that I'll be cooking in some coconut milk. That's my grace baked bean there for my rice, and grace sweet corn for my rices. That is my rice. I'm gonna put my meat in my air fryer. And in this pot here I have some butter and a little cooking oil. That is to saute my vegetable for my rice. Alright, I'm gonna add my onions to my butter and oil. I'm gonna add my bell peppers. I'm gonna add my carrots, my string bean, my garlic, and my tomatoes. Combine everything together. We're gonna mix this in. I'm gonna add 3 bay leaves. I'm adding some rosemary and I'm adding some oregano. Mix that together. Then I'm gonna add my baked bean and I'm gonna add some butter bean. Mix it all together. Alright, I'm gonna add my rice to this mixture. My rice is already washed. Mix it up and then add some coconut milk to it. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper, some spicy sweet garlic sauce. I'm just gonna add a little sesame oil to it. I'm gonna add my coconut milk. Give it a mix and then cover it and have it steam. You're gonna cover that and have it cook. This is the rest of the chicken. I'm gonna put it in the air fryer now. And these are the ones that I took out. Right in here I have some oregano, salt, coconut milk, and that is to boil my corn. I'm gonna add a pinch of oil for my rice to steam. I think it's already dried down. I'm gonna add the foil paper. I'm gonna add my okra to the top. Let it steam. I'm just gonna add it, and then at the end I'll add my sweet corn. That is it. Cover it, then let it steam. I'm gonna add my corn to my coconut milk. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make the sauce now. So I'm using the Thai style sweet chili sauce. I'm gonna use some sesame seed oil, some rosemary, some oregano, some spicy sweet garlic sauce, some oyster sauce, chili sauce here. For a spicy sweet garlic sauce, some of the sesame oil, oyster sauce, oregano, rosemary, molasses, chocolate rice. So we're gonna mix it up. mix all that together. I'm gonna add this to the sauce. It's the bubblegum buster. Add some backbone tonic liquor to the sauce. I'm gonna add my chicken and then set this on the stove. No. Yeah. That is it right there. I'm gonna cover and let the sauce boil into it. Alright guys, let's add my sweet corn to my rice. Mix that in. This is the finished product of my baked bean and butter bean rice. That's my sweet chili chicken. And that is my corn in coconut milk. I'm gonna go ahead and plate my meals now. These are the plated meals here. Alright guys, that is it for tonight. Thank you guys for coming along on the journey with me in doing my sweet chili chicken and my baked bean and butter bean rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat my dinner now. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so. If you have subscribed already, thank you for returning and watching my videos. Please continue to do so. This is Sexy Sturdy saying have yourself a wonderful night. God bless.